Hi there, Anna McPherson from the agency, and I cannot wait to show you this low set, low maintenance strata title duplex at Finch Avenue. Let's check it out. Offering the ideal opportunity to get into the market, or for those downsizing, the appointment of this low maintenance home is absolutely superb. With a functional floor plan connecting the indoors with the outdoors, I love the private entertaining area on offer and the built-in blinds. So guys, there you have it for 201 Finch Avenue in Yeppoon. A stone's throw to the bowls and golf club. You're gonna love this perfectly appointed property with full fencing and low maintenance. If you'd like to own your piece of paradise in Yeppoon, please do not hesitate to contact me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.